Hi YouTube family, thank you for tuning into the People's Table with Ozzy once more, and I'm really excited to always sit on this chair, face my camera and talk about some issues which we run away from all the time. So today, without further ado, I will be giving you this top 5 health issues girls ignore. Now, there are a lot of health issues, a lot of health issues which I cannot even exhaust that girls ignore and women ignore. Now, the first one is right here. I wrote them down so that you could see them properly, and here they are. Can you see them? Number 1, skin reactions. Number 2, bad odor during menstruation. Number 3, yeast infection. Number 4, toilet infection. And I will leave number 5 for you to fill in. So here we go. Most times girls have skin reactions and run off to skincare shops to buy 1 or 2 creams to use on your skin. Meanwhile, the real problem is coming from within, not the outer part. And sometimes we just spend a whole lot of money treating what we think is outside when the main problem is inside. So when you see a particular kind of skin reaction, sometimes you don't need to freak out. I freak out sometimes, but that's usually not the best advice. The best thing for you to do is to go get a test done, a culture test or skin allergy test, to know exactly what the problem is or where the problem is coming from. Avoid using too many skincare, organic products and all of that from people who are not really inclined at what they do or what they say they know how to do. The best thing is to go to the hospital, go to the pharmacy, talk to someone about your skin and get solution about it. Like this one popping out here is because I'm at that time of the month when uncle comes and it flows out. So usually it comes out, and I've understood my skin that I don't need to do anything on it when it's that time of the month. So girls, do not always run up to a skincare shop to check on your skin. All you need to do is go get a test done. And please, it is important that you care for your skin. I've heard people say, I don't really care. If you go, no, don't you love how my skin shines? Don't you love it? That's because I do a lot of things to take care of them. Now, 2, bad odor during menstruation. Yes, there's a level to which your menstruation should, piss you off, but not to the extent of having very bad odor during menstruation. That is a problem. You need to go see a doctor or go see a pharmacist, someone who is health inclined, who can help you take care of whatever is happening. It might be an infection, it might be a reaction. You need to know what's wrong, because there's a level to which your menstruation should actually have a bad odor. So when you notice that, please run off to the hospital. 3, yeast infection. Most girls don't like to talk about yeast infection because they think it's a stigma. I don't know whoever told them that. Every girl has a percentage of yeast in her, and it only adds or multiplies when an infection shows up. So what you just need to do is run off to a hospital, go to someone who is health inclined, get yourself tested and get drugs or injection for these yeast infections. It's not HIV, it's not a stigma, so don't always feel bad to talk about it. Yeast infection, although they're not so normal, but they can be taken care of. You don't need to freak out when you have yeast infection. And if you keep quiet and maybe you go to see Bay or Boo and he notices, they hold discharge, it might scare them and they might run away. You might have met some people and they go out of your life without, permission, and you're like, what just happened? It might be the cause. It might be the cause, that could be really scary for some guys. So just go to the hospital, take care of yourself, and you'll be fine. Toilet infection. We all think that running away from public toilets are the best. Yes, run away from them, but some of us, our personal toilets are nothing to write home about. You need to at least wash your toilet, especially during that time of the month. Wash it with Jik, wash it with very heavy disinfectants that can help you disinfect your toilet, because toilet infections are real, and when they get into your body, you start to itch uncontrollably. Even outside, it could be really embarrassing, and you might not want to talk about it, and you might just stay indoor. Toilet infection is real, and you need to treat them. They need medical attention. Don't go drink one agbo jadi jadi or agbo kiji kiji that one baba gave you and you forget about the toilet infection. Go to the hospital. Do not do self-medication. Always ask for advice from health inclined people, and they will help you out of toilet infections. Make sure you wash your toilet at least 2 times in a week. If you're so busy, wash your toilets always, and wipe your toilet seat before using them. It's really important. The 5th one, I didn't write anything because I want you in your heart of heart to feel that, oh, whatever you think has been disturbing your skin, I don't know, or your body, maybe fibroid, maybe infection, maybe a reaction, maybe something you can't even place your hand on. I want you to today write that down as your number 5 and go and take care of it. Go to the hospital, stop doing self-medication, go there, get yourself checked, and please attend to your body. Stop ignoring health issues. Stop running to skincare organic shops to do what you're supposed to do in the hospital. Thank you. I hope I've been able to share something that you were finding hard to talk about, and I hope you go to the hospital to get yourself checked. It's really important. Thank you for staying with Ozzy. Mwah.